Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? Alhamdulillah, I'm great today. It's nice to see you again in this special meeting. But class, as usual, before we start, I think it's better to you to start by praying. Please, to the chief, lead the prayer, please. Okay, finish ya. Before we start, I will check your attendance first. Is there any Alpina? Okay, Alpina ya. Alisha Rikatul Ais. Absent? Oh, absent ya. Ya. Ananda Zaskia. Okay, good. Dian Fatmawati. Dita Novitasari. Dita Septi Triana. Dwi Aulia Putri. Okay. Dwi Ayu Lestari. Indah Nur Elika. Intania Nurul Ain. Nafisa Aulia Nur Hafid. Absent. Okay, absent. Na Yuri Salwa. Nia Ramadhani. Okay. Nur Fasihatul Jannah. Where is Nur Fasihatul? Absent. Okay. Rani Hojari. Okay. Risma Analiana. Yes. Cindy Fatika Sari. Good. Siti Rahmawati. Okay, good. Siti Setianingsi. Absent. Okay. Vina Aprilia. Yosi. Absent again. So, sick or absent? 6. Okay, I will write it 6 ya. Yolanda Hertita Putri. Okay, good. Okay, class today is nice day ya. We can meet again. So in first meeting, before we continue, so are you ready to have class today, class? Are you ready? Good. Okay ya. Now, let me remind you about our previous topic ya. Last week, minggu kemarin, kita itu belajar apa ya? Maybe raise your hand ya. Please raise your hand. Just raise your hand ya. So, what we have learned last week, Mbak? Please raise your hand. Mbak Salwa. Procedure text. Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, thanks for Mbak Salwa. Good. Last week we have already discussed about the procedure text. Good, yeah. Anyone? And then could please what the focus on? Yeah, please raise your hand in procedure text. And then what else? What else? Ada lagi? Please raise your hand. Mbak. Oh yeah, listening procedure text ya. We also learn about listening procedure text. Ya, selain kita memang belajar procedure text itu sendiri, kita juga kemarin belajar listening ya. Yang audio kemudian kalian catch informasinya itu listening, mendengarkan. Okay. Then, could you please, what the focus on procedure text and listening, Mbak Nia? Social function, structure, and language feature. Thanks for Mbak Nia. Please give applause. Good. In procedure text, we also learn about the social function. Yeah, social function, language feature, and also we learn about the language feature. And then maybe another, Mbak Saskia. Oh iya, listening ya. Learn how to do listening text. Maybe can you give the sample, Mbak Nia ya? Give sample, Mbak Nia. Oh iya, social function is telling about the step, and then structure-nya, goal, and then material, and then step. What about the language, Mbak? The language-nya using simple present tense. Good, thanks ya. Should we close again? Okay, good. And let me ask to Mbak Zaskia ya. Can you give sample about what you said about listening ya? Please.
We have to write the question on the chat space. The quiz expression is mostly as the answer.
Oh, it was about the tips ya, how to do the listening. Jadi memang ketika kalian mau ada listening itu, first, before you listen, sebelum kalian dengarkan, you have to read ya, read the choices, baca dulu pilihannya, read the question, baca dulu pertanyaannya. Bisa kalian bisa kira-kira apa ya tentang apa audionya, itu untuk listening. And then, first expression, kalimat utama yang diucapkan dalam listening, it mostly as the answer. Jadi kebanyakan yaitu jawabannya. Pertama kali muncul nih, how do bla bla bla, itu adalah biasanya sebuah jawaban. Okay, it was about listening and the procedure text ya. Okay, ya, I think that's enough about reviewing our previous material. So let we continue to the next activity. Class, let me tell you about our goals today. Goals, tujuan. Hari ini kita mau belajar apa sih? Ya, first, menggunakan ungkapan-ungkapan asking and giving opinion sesuai dengan konteksnya. Seperti title in the beginning ya, judul di awal itu asking and giving opinion. Jadi di sini itu kita akan menggunakan ungkapan-ungkapannya. So we will focus on speaking. Kita akan ngomong bahasa Inggris ya. And then mengucapkan ungkapan-ungkapan asking and giving opinion dengan pelafalan dan intonasi yang betul. Kalau sekedar ngomong, it's okay, you can say ya, kalian bisa ngomong, bisa apa aja, tapi pelafalan dan intonasi yang betul. Kan mungkin kalian perlu belajar ya, how to pronounce, how to say the English fluently ya. Jadi ngomong bahasa Inggris lancar, yang betul itu gimana. Next, menyusun teks asking and giving opinion dengan tata bahasa yang benar. Ya, we also will write. Kita akan membuat sebuah teks juga tentang asking and giving opinion. Nanti juga tentunya kita akan mempraktikkan dialog asking and giving opinion dengan tepat sesuai dengan konteks. Setelah kalian buat teksnya, otomatis kalian akan mempraktekkannya. Praktek di sini kita akan menggunakan role play, Mbak. Jadi seakan-akan kita bermain peran. Kamu jadi siapa, kamu jadi siapa. Jadi not only read tapi seakan-akan kalian akan bermain peran. Okay. So, in this section, do you get my point, Mbak? Get my point, Mbak? Yes, I do. Good. Next, ya. After telling the goal, so let's watch a video ya, Mbak. Saya coba putarkan sebuah video. Please pay attention to the video ya, Mbak. Mana sih ininya? Okay, before we continue, this video will tell you about the asking and giving opinion. Video ini berisikan tentang asking and giving opinion. Coba perhatikan nanti ketika ada conversation, percakapan, kalian perhatikan expressionnya, ngomongnya gimana sih, ngomongnya apa aja sih, terus kira-kira apa sih, begitu ya. Setelah ini nanti saya coba minta kalian buat beberapa pertanyaan terkait dengan video ini. Ya, class, do you get my point? Do you get my point, class? Let's we continue to watch the video ya, Mbak.
Anyway, what is your idea about the English teacher? According to me, she is smart, happy, comfortable, but quite arrogant. I am sorry, but I'm not sure with your last opinion. Why? Then, what do you think about it? I think she is friendly. She smiles to everyone. Really? I never meet her outside of the class. Yes, you can see it later. Have you finished your preparation? Not yet. I need to put some clothes in the suitcase. I will wait for you in the living room. All right. What do you feel about this holiday? It will be different from our holiday before. I feel excited with the final approval to London. I agree with your opinion. It is the holiday that I am waiting for. We should take much photos. I am sure there are a lot of photogenic spots. That's right. I cannot wait for it. Mom, when you asked me to eat this restaurant. are some new foods and drinks. So I am interested to bring you here. Thanks, Mom. So what do you think about this bread? I think it is so delicious. I like it. This is absolutely right. My favorite restaurant. We should come here again, Mom. Of course.
And 4.
What happened? I am sleeping. I want to sleep. Wait for a minute. The news will be done soon. All right there. What will the AI discussing? It is about coronavirus. What is your view on the increased coronavirus cases in our country? I strongly believe that doctors and nurses continue to do their best to prevent increased cases in that country. But in this new, sometimes people still do not follow the health protocol of coronavirus. I totally agree with you. Sometimes people ignore the health protocol when they do their activities outside. Hopefully, this pandemic will be done soon. I hope so.
Okay, once again, yeah, this is another sample of asking and giving opinion.
Hi, Emma. What are you thinking about?
I'm thinking about the economy that's happening in Kenya.
So, what do you think is the nation?
I think we're going to shut the options.
Yes.
Well, at the store, people
What do you suggest that we should do?
well, there are a lot of things that we can do. Just stop saving electricity, recycling waste, using public transportation, buying and handling as much as we can only. Basically, just save anything that you can.
That's a different game. We do that
Oh, girl.
with my blazer.
Okay, Mbak, ya. After you watch the sample of asking and giving opinion, ya, setelah tadi kalian lihat contoh sampel video ya tentang asking and giving opinion, memberikan atau menanyakan tentang opinion, ya. Now I want you to make some questions about that video, ya. Kira-kira dari video tersebut, coba kalian bisa menangkap kira-kira apa yang perlu ditanyakan dalam video tersebut, Mbak. Kira-kira apa ya, Mbak ya? Coba sebutin aja, apa kira-kira pertanyaannya apa saja kira-kira, Mbak? Yes? What is the topic? Okay, good, ya. Let's we write. Number 1. What is the topic? And then what else? Kira-kira pertanyaan apa lagi, Mbak? Yes? Oh, who are the speaker? Who are the speaker? Next. How? Gimana Mbak Cindy? How? How? Yeah, I get. How about the argument maybe ya? Maksudnya gimana sih? Pendapatnya gimana? Apakah dia setuju atau tidak? Begitu ya. And then where dialog take place? Tempatnya ya. Okay. Let's replay it once again and try to answer it. Ya. Coba. Ini tadi kan pertanyaan dari kalian ya. This is question from you and then let's we try to answer it. Oke. Yang pertama di sini.
Oh, I see. You always prepare your class well.
I'm reading English literature. I should prepare because the class will be started soon.
Oh, I see. You always prepare your class well. Anyway, what is your idea about the new English teacher?
What is the topic, Mbak? Apa? Talking about new English teacher. Okay, good. Who are the speaker? Kira-kira siapa sih yang ngomong ini? Students, good. Oke ya, yang ngomong ya student karena dia kan cerita tentang teachernya. Dia masih orang lain. Ya, normally it's students. Oke, how about the argument? Kira-kira pendapatnya gimana, Mbak? For example, man, kira-kira man-nya dia bilang gimana? What about the argument of the man? Smart, active, but arrogant. Okay. What about the girl?
I am sorry, but I'm not sure of your last opinion.
Kira-kira perempuannya setuju nggak, Mbak? No, ya. I'm not sure about your opinion. Kalau kata perempuannya gimana?
She is friendly. She smiles at everyone.
What about the girl statement? Yeah, she is friendly. She smiles to everyone. Good, ya. Where the dialogue take place? Kira-kira where, Mbak? Di mana ini? Library. Ya, library. Perpustakaan. Good, ya. Give plus to be all, ya. All of us, ya. Next. The next conversation. Oh, ini. Kira-kira tentang apa ini ya?
Did you finish your preparation?
Not yet. I need to put some clothes in the suitcase.
I will wait you in the living room.
All right. What do you feel about this holiday?
What is the topic? Holiday. Good. Ya. Who are the speaker? Kira-kira siapa yang ngomong, Mbak? Mom and doctor, anak perempuan. Ya, doctor, mom and doctor. Yang ngomong ibu sama anak perempuannya. Oke, bisa kejawab semua nggak? Argumennya gimana nih? How do you feel about this holiday?
It will be different from our holiday before. I feel excited because finally we can go to London.
What about the mom's arguments? Excited ya, excited, good, excited because it's different ya, bisa ke London. Oke, kalau anaknya ngomong nggak kira-kira?
I agree with your opinion.
Nah, gimana perempuan, anak perempuannya dokternya? Agree, berarti setuju ya. Oke, where the dialogue take place? Bedroom or bathroom or living room? There is a bed here. Bed. Bedakan ya, ada bed sama bed. Bathroom is for sleep and bathroom. You are not allowed to sleep in bathroom. Kalian nggak boleh tidur di bathroom ya. Ya. Okay, bedroom. Okay, good. Next, the last. Oh, Bu, masih ada lagi. The man is so cool ya. Okay, what is the topic? Eat in restaurant. Eating in restaurant.
Remember that there are some new foods and drinks. So I am interested to bring you here.
Who are apa ini? What the who? How about the argument first is ya? Coba how about the arguments about the man? Argumentsnya how? So I'm interested. Argumennya adalah I'm interested. Ya. How about the girl?
Yes, Mom. So what do you think about this bread? I think it is so delicious.
I think it's same ya. Jadi agree. Jadi memang the girl agree with the man. Setuju begitu. Who are the speaker? Kira-kira ini siapa yang lagi ngomong nih? Mom and dad. Oh iya, ini ibu ini anak. Oh iya tadi disebutkan mom ya. Mom, bukan anak ini ayah. Mom and dad. Bukan ayah apa anak sih ini? Let's check ya. If in English, I think you said mom is as was it the child ya. Jadi kalau bilang mom lebih ke arahnya ke anak sih, begitu. Jadi bisa diarah anak sama ibu, begitu. Oke, next. Where the dialogue take place tadi udah kejawab ya. Di mana? Restoran. The first video yang the last. What is the topic? Turn on television. Tapi kayaknya ada another topic ya. Oke.
Wait for a minute. The news will be done soon. It is about coronavirus.
What is topic? Coronavirus. Virus. It's not your friend's name ya, bukan nama temanmu. Virus, not. It is the virus. Coronavirus. Ada teman saya namanya virus, Mbak. Coronavirus ya. Oke, next. Who are the speaker? Ini kira-kira yang ngomong siapa sama siapa? Dad and son. Son ya. Tulisannya si son, bacanya son. Dad and son. And how about the arguments? Kira-kira gimana?
What is your view on the increased coronavirus cases in our country?
I strongly believe that doctors and nurses will be the best to improve cases in their country.
Apa kira-kira Mbak? Anaknya bilang apa? Believe, do the best. Nurse, doctor, and others. Jadi dokter, perawat itu sebetulnya dia percaya kalau mereka sudah bekerja secara maksimal. It was the arguments of the son. Next about the
I totally agree with you.
what about the father? Argumentsnya. I totally agree. Saya setuju. And then where the dialogue take place? Watching TV di mana sih? Ya, living room. Ya, living room. Oke. The last yang video tadi. Last.
I'm thinking about the warming that's happening.
What is the topic? Global warming. Warming. Global warming. Yeah, good. Next. What about the argument of the man? Change the lifestyle, ya. Change the lifestyle. Rubah gaya hidup. And then
What do you suggest that we should do? Well, there are a lot of things that we should do. Just stop studying electricity, recycling things, using public transportation, buying and internet is not just being online. Let's be clear, just save anything that we can. That's an idea. We do that.
What about the girl's statement, arguments? Setuju ya, I agree, I will do that. Where the dialogue take place? Kira-kira di mana ini, Mbak? Apakah di hutan? Sepertinya percakapan seperti ini kok ngomongkan di tengah hutan ya. I think it's not suitable ya. Mungkin di taman it's okay ya, di taman. Ya. Oke. It were about the asking and giving opinion sample. Jadi contoh asking and giving sample ya. Sampai di sini. Do you get my point, Mbak? No? Do you have a question, Mbak? No, I don't. I asked to you for the questions. Do you have a question, Mbak? No, I don't. Yeah. If you say yes, yes, I do. Do you understand? Yes. Do you understand? Okay, let's be asked again, yeah. Do you have a question, Mbak? Okay, so it means that do you understand about the topic? Yes, I do. Good, ya. Jangan kebalik. Okay. Next, ya. So we can conclude that asking and giving opinion, jadi kita bisa kesimpulkan bahwa asking and giving opinion itu berarti kan memberikan atau menanyakan tentang what is opinion? What is opinion? Pendapat ya, pendapat. Okay. Talking about asking and giving opinion, it also about the dialogue text ya. Asking and giving opinion juga kan sebuah teks percakapan. Ya, pastinya we also will learn about the social function. Social function. What is social function? Social function means ya fungsinya asking opinion, ya to ask other people's opinion on an issue. Jadi yang namanya menanyakan pendapat ya untuk menanyakan tentang pendapatnya seseorang tentang sebuah isu, kabar, atau dan lain sebagainya. Atau giving opinion is to express an opinion. Jadi yang namanya memberikan pendapat ya untuk mengekspresikan pendapatnya seseorang. That was the social function. Fungsi dari asking and giving opinion. Ya, kok nggak jalan? Next. Strukturnya, the generic structure of asking and giving, aturan mainnya seperti ini, Mbak. But is it not, what is it? Tidak baku. Jadi masih optional. Bisa aja kalian cuma asking and giving opinion, terus agreement, disagreement, it's okay. Tapi this is the complete, ini yang lengkapnya. When you will have a conversation, ketika kalian mau membuat sebuah percakapan asking and giving opinion, make sure there is a greeting. Ya ada awalannya. Hi Cindy, hi Dita, what are you doing Dita? Are you sleepy? Yes, I'm sleepy. Ya, okay. That was the opening. So we talk about our school topiknya. We will kita bahas. Tell about asking opinion. Asking opinion. What do you think? I think I agree with you, I don't agree with you. Itu apa is it? The content. The last closing. Bisa aja memberikan kesimpulan. Ya, kesimpulan. Istirahatnya nanti nggak apa-apa ya? Ya. Ya. Nggak usah diapa-apain, nanti saya cut sendiri pas edit kok. Nggak apa-apa. Bisa ngomong 6 basic ke. Oke. Gimana Mbak Dita, sehat? Itu belakangnya ya Allah. Iya deh. Siti. Okay, let's we continue ya. The structure, the first is opening, greeting, topic, consists of greeting and topic. And there is a contain, isi, consists of asking, giving, opinion, agree, disagree, setuju atau tidak di situ. And then closing. Closing optional, bisa boleh ada, bisa tidak. Contoh misal, what do you think about our new dress? I think it's not quite good. Nggak bagus deh, gitu ya. Thank you. Yeah, you have to change your, what is it, your shirt soon atau your dress soon. Itu kan bisa jadi kesimpulan di situ. Ya harusnya kamu ganti aja bajunya. Orang itu nggak bagus kok begitu. Padahal itu new dress ya. Oke, next. Setelah ada yang namanya generic structure, we also learn about the language feature. Bahasanya Mbak, kalau kita mau ngasih opini, bahasanya bagaimana? Of course, we use simple present tense. Ya, you have to remember ya, masih ingat ya, simple present tense. Ayu Dewi, kata kerja, verb, s atau is, seperti itu. What do you think? I think itu adalah sudah subjek dan kata kerja. I think you are beautiful. Ya, I think you are beautiful. Saya pikir kamu itu cantik, begitu ya. Oke, giving opinion using praise, giving opinion ya tadi ya, I think, formal, informal. Dalam asking and giving opinion itu juga ada formal, informal Mbak. Jadi kalau kita ngomong tentang pendapat kan ada yang with our friends, ya, our classmate, sama teman sekelas atau teman main begitu ya, kita bahasanya santai. Tapi kalau we will talk about our teacher, our older people, itu it's better to using the polite sentence, menggunakan kalimat yang sopan di situ. Oke. Now, after you know about the social function, language feature, and also generic structure, I want you to do the exercise. Yeah, do the exercise. There is this is about the exercise, yeah. There is a conversation and there is a questions. Okay, now let's follow me. Silakan ikuti saya ya. How to pronounce, how to say this sentence. Tata. No, it's me. Tata. Hello. Can I repeat ya? Hello. Can I ask your opinion about my painting? Coba Mbak Rani. Read. I will show it more bigger ya. Wow. Okay. Please repeat Mbak Rina. Mbak Rani. Can I ask your opinion about my painting? Once again, Mbak Rani. Can I ask your opinion about my painting? Sure. Please together. Sure. Sure. So, what do you think of this painting of mine? Good. Mbak Alvina deh. Please read this sentence ya. So, please. Good. Please close. Yeah. Wow. Wow. I think you did a great job. I think you did a great job. This is such a beautiful painting. Coba Mbak Nia, coba. Wow. I think you did a great job. Good. Such. This is such a beautiful painting. Yeah. Okay, next ya, together. Do you really think so? Yes, I love this. Thank you so much. Anyone can practice it in pairs? Ada nggak yang mau coba practice dalam pairs? Two people, coba. Just read, just read. Siapa coba? Mbak Salwa deh sama Mbak Dita. Mbak Salwa sebagai Tata. Mbak Dita sebagai Bia. Siapa ini Bia? Oke, let's start. Di situ aja deh. Apa-apa di situ aja. Yes. Yes, please. Please practice. Just read. Tata. Yes, now. Just read.
Hello, can I ask your opinion of what I painting?
Sure.
Sure. So, what do you think of this painting of mine? Wow, I think it is a great job.
Such.
Do you really think so? Yes, I love this. Thank you so much.
Good. Please give applause. Ya. Oke, good ya. Mbak. After you read this text, there is a questions. There are questions, What is the social function of the conversation? Raise your hand. What is the social function? Mbak Cindy, what is the social function? To asking and giving opinion about the painting. Is it correct, Mbak? Correct or incorrect? Is it not correct to trash ya? Bukan correct ke trash. Correct means betul, incorrect salah. Correct or incorrect? Correct ya. Correct sir, gitu. Correct or incorrect? Okay, good. Thanks for Mbak Cindy. Number 2, put marks on the division of the structure of the text. Coba generic structure-nya bagaimana? Ada yang mau coba generic structure-nya gimana Mbak dari teks ini? Oh Mbak Zaskia, you will try. Oke. Tadi generic structure itu kan ada opening, content, and closing. Where is opening, Mbak? You can give opening. Word opening. You can write. Where is the opening? Opening. Ini. Opening. Okay. And then, what is the topic? Ya, underline saja. Ya, it was the okay. What about the arguments? I mean, asking opinionnya mana, giving opinionnya mana, askingnya mana? Underline saja. Ya, giving opinionnya mana? I think. Iya, yang I think. Tuh. Good. And then closing. Yeah, you can write closing. Here. Yeah. Closing. Right. Yeah. Closing. Okay, good. Thanks for Mbak Zaskia. This is the sample of generic structure-nya ya. Ini cara menunjukkan strukturnya. Ada opening, kemudian ada asking, giving. Sebetulnya ada satu lagi agreement ya. Yes, I love this. Jadi memang setuju. Then the last is closing. Terakhir penutup. The last, when the expression of asking and giving direction, use the simple present tense. Coba, anyone raise your hand? Mbak Salwa, please write or you can underline, garis bawah saja. Where is the simple present tense? Gampang ya? Ya. Good. And then good. Ada lagi nggak? Satu lagi deh. Kira-kira yang mana? I love. Yeah. Okay, good. Please give applause to Mbak Salwa. Thanks ya Mbak Salwa ya, sama Mbak Zaskia ya. Okay. Now I think we have to understand ya. Seharusnya kita harus sudah paham ya. What is the social function? What is the generic structure? And also what about the language feature? Sampai di sini, do you have a questions, Mbak? Do you have a question, Mbak? So, do you understand about this topic? Good, ya. Oke. Ya. Okay, let's we continue ya. After we talk about where is the eraser? Oh, this one. After we talk about the social function, generic structure, and also the language feature, now we are trying to speak up. Now we want speak up ya. Libet deh. This is the sample of asking and giving opinion expression. Ini adalah ekspresi bagaimana cara asking and giving opinion. Contoh-contohnya ya. Ini bukan titik-titik gimana, no. For example, we give sample apa ya? Our class begitu ya. Our class. What do you think of our class? Coba ya, repeat after me. What do you think of our class? Okay, good. What do you think about our class? Okay. Next, coba Mbak Intania. Okay. Our class. Okay, Mbak Alpina. Why do they behave like that? There is no our class ya. Next, Mbak Risma. Next ya, it was about asking for opinion. Now giving opinion ya. I think our class is clean. Seperti itu coba ya. I think ya. Please repeat after me. I think our class is clean. In my opinion, our class is clean. Now, where is it? This is how to respond ya. Agreement, disagreement. Jadi kalau ada asking opinion, giving opinion, kadang kita mau setuju atau tidak ya. Let me show you about the sample of native. Ini kalau native asli ngomongnya seperti apa sih? I will show you.
A grievance expression. Of course.
Yeah, of course. Just pay attention.
This is absolutely right. I agree with this opinion. I agree, never thought of that. Neither do I. That's good point. I think so too. You're right.
After this, please repeat after the audio. Coba ikuti audio ya. Yang I'm sorry. Ya, setelah audionya selesai, please repeat after the audio. Silakan ulangi seperti yang sesuai audio. Oke? Ready? Belum nanti.
Disagreement expression. I am sorry, I don't agree with you. I am not sure I agree with you. I don't agree with you. I am afraid I have to disagree with you. I do not believe that. I disagree.
Oke, enough ya. Next. This is same with what we have already discussed ya. It's quite same, jadi hampir sama. Tadi what do you think? Any comments? Jadi yang namanya asking and giving opinion, there is two kinds of degree of formality. Ada yang formal, ada yang informal. First, we will discuss about informal situation. Ini adalah informal situation. Ya. Tadi sudah tahu ya. What do you think about our class? Ya. Any comments? I need your opinion. This is about the expression. And then this is the sample of asking and giving opinion in formal. Would you like give me your opinion on our class? Coba repeat after me ya. Would you after me? Would you give me your opinion on our class? What are you feel on our class? Do you have any idea about our class? Okay, like that ya. Perbedaannya, this is polite, lebih sopan. For example, in Indonesia or Javanese. Jadi kan bahasa Indonesia dan Jawa juga ada ya sopan dan tidak sopan ya. Mohon maaf dan lain sebagainya. Beda kalau sama temen. Bagaimana dengan kamu? Gitu kan. Kalau dalam bahasa mohon maaf, boleh tidak tanya tentang pendapat Anda begitu. Ini formal dan informal. Oke, coba sedikit aja tentang giving opinion ya. Repeat after me. May I make comment on that? In my point of view, our class is clean. Yeah. I personally consider our class is clean. Oke. Oke. Nggak apa-apa dilanjut dulu, ini selesai. Nanti pembelajarannya nggak sampai akhir lucu. This is a sample of the conversations ya. I will play for Dita and Salwa again. Yeah, I ask you to practice again, but before you practice, I will show you the audio about this conversation. Saya kasih contohnya dulu audio ini, terus habis itu praktis ya. Mana? Salwa and Dita. Pakai ini aja.
Hi, Salwa. What beautiful shoes.
Hi, Dita. Oh, really? Do you think it's beautiful?
Oke ya, please pay attention ya. Agak cepat tapi nggak apa-apa. This is for the sample ya. Nanti setelah ini coba practice.
Well, yes, I think it's so beautiful with that lace end of color. It matches your dress as well. Where did you buy it?
Actually, I didn't buy it. It's a birthday gift from my mom.
Oh, that's so wonderful. I think your mom has a good taste.
Yeah, I think so. She is always knowing the new style.
Hi, Salwa.
Oke ya. Please practice it ya, Mbak Salwa and Dita. Please read the conversation and try to practice it. Maybe you can stand up in front of the class. Read, come here. Practice it. Let's practice it. Ready ya? Okay, please Dita as a Dita, Salwa as a Salwa. You can start now. What a beautiful shoes. Then. That's so wonderful. Yeah, I think so. She is always knowing the newest style. Okay, thanks for Mbak Dita and Salwa ya. You can sit down again. Okay, class. After this, after you learn so many about the expression of asking and giving opinion. Now, yeah, please do the LKPD 1 activity 2. Ya, jadi setelah ini coba kalian make a conversation in pairs. Make conversation in pairs. Silakan buat percakapan dengan teman sebangku in pairs ya. Please write an informal dialogue about asking and giving opinion. Ya, coba tuliskan asking and giving opinion. And then the structure, at least there is a opening. Ada openingnya. And then contain. And also the closing. Ya, it's optional, boleh ada atau tidak closing ya. Next. Usahakan the grammar is correct. Jadi kalau bisa grammarnya itu juga bagus begitu ya. You don't have to remember dialog. Di akhirnya kalian tidak perlu mengingat-ingat dan sebagainya, enggak. You have to practice. Jadi memang seharusnya kalian itu adalah practice. Nanti practice, do the role play. Seperti yang tadi Mbak Salwa dan Mbak Dita praktiskan ya. Nanti coba dipraktis di depan kelas. Ya, do you get my point, Mbak? Do you get my point, Mbak? Can we start now? Can we start now? Yes. Ya, please start now. Write down the dialogue. Ya, you can start now. Iya, no text. You can. Itu di-cut, Pak. Ya, begitu. write down the text on your books ya. Make sure the name is your name. Name is your name. And your friend's name. The name is your name and your friend's name. Ya. Percakapan kalian ya namanya kalian. Ya. Have you finished, Mbak? Oke, ya. Have you finished, Mbak? Not yet. Means belum. Ya. Have you finished, Mbak? Oke. Topiknya bebas ya. Kalian mau topik apa silahkan. You feel free to make conversation. Okay, let me check your text, Mbak. Okay, Indah, they are discussing. Okay, ya. They are discussing. Okay, festival. I'm very excited to join. Okay, good. The topic is festival, ya. Finish ya. Now I want you in pairs practice first, and then I want you in pairs also practice it in front of your friends ya. Jadi saya minta kalian praktis dulu ya, coba praktiskan sama teman sebangku dulu, and then after that I want you in pairs sama dalam sepasang itu nanti praktis di depan kelas. begitu. Then while your friend practice the speaking, practice the conversation, you may give scoring. Jadi ketika teman kalian lagi presentasi, ngapain nih kalian? Kalian bisa kasih skor ke teman kalian ya. And then that score will be what is it? Will be as maybe additional score or maybe consider what is it ya. Jadi pertimbangan saya untuk memberikan nilai berikutnya begitu. Okay, I will give you one by one. This is the rubric of scoring your friend's performance. Di video ya, nomor dong. Ada yang belum? Sudah semua? Oke ya. Please for the first performance. Untuk performance pertama ya, adakah yang berkenan? Raise your hand to practice the conversation. Mbak Saskia sama Mbak Dian mungkin? Ya. Practice the conversation. Ya. You still made to read ya, it's okay to read. No, you come to in front of your friends ya, in front of the class. And the others, please give score to your friends' performance. Caranya tahu ya, ada pengucapan kelancaran pemahaman. Itu ada skor 1 sampai 5. 5 itu very good, 1 very poor. Ya, kira-kira mau ngasih skor berapa nih ke teman kalian? There is your friend's name, nama yang sedang maju, dua-duanya berarti 2 orang. Oke, bisa ya. Silakan Mbak Zaskia dan Mbak Dian. Okay, please practice it. Louder, coba yang lebih keras lagi, louder. Hi Dian.
Hi dear, in why I just don't understand if you guys smoking. Well, it's nice to know. Hey, what is it about smoking? In my opinion, there is nothing about smoking. It's dangerous for your health, and it is waste of money. I've heard many times that I don't believe it. Maybe I'll believe it when you get your own cancer.
Okay, just wait here. Let me give you sample ya. Let me give you sample ya. Class, have you take score of them? Sudah dikasih skor? Ya. Please give score to your friends' performance ya. Coba repeat after me. Repeat after me. No, Saskia. Hai Dina. Supaya yang sebagai Hai Dian. Dina. Hai Dian. After me. Hi Dian.
Hi dear.
By the way, I just don't understand why you guys like smoking. I just don't understand. I just don't understand. Why
Why
your guys
your guys
like smoking.
like smoking?
But Dian, well,
Well,
it's nice, you know.
it's nice to know.
Back to nice.
Nice.
What's nice about smoking?
What nice about smoking?
What nice about smoking?
What's nice about smoking?
In my opinion,
In my opinion,
there is nothing nice about smoking.
there is nothing,
There is nothing nice
there is nothing nice
about smoking.
about smoking.
It is dangerous for your health.
It is dangerous for
Dangerous.
It is dangerous for your health,
And it is waste of money.
and it is waste of money.
I've heard many times,
I've heard many times,
but I don't believe it.
but I don't believe it.
Maybe
Maybe
you will believe
you will believe
it when you get your lung cancer.
it when you get your lung cancer.
Oke, like that ya. Seperti itu ya Mbak ya. Coba berlatih lagi. Untuk yang lain silakan coba praktekkan ya. Bagaimana sih cara yang betul? You can check in Google Translate Mbak. Kalian juga bisa ya mengecek pronounce-nya pakai Google Translate. Bisa di situ kalian ketikkan, habis itu klik yang menu sound speaker itu ya. Nanti keluar suara cara pengucapannya. Oke, thank you for Mbak Saskia Andian. Please give applause ya to your fans. Ya. It was about your friend's performance ya. It were about your friend's performance. Because the times had already offered. As usual ya, let me check your understanding about our discussing today. Seperti biasa saya akan mengecek pemahaman kalian di pembelajaran hari ini ya. Let me make a review. Kita buat review hari ini ya. Oke, as usual raise your hand ya. I will give some question about our topic today. Ya. Okay, class, what have we learned today? Anyone raise your hand? Mbak Salwa. Okay, how to speak, asking and giving opinions. Good, thanks for Mbak Salwa ya. Please give applause. Anyone can explain what is asking and giving opinion itself? Oh, Mbak Nia. Yes, Mbak Nia. Learn about the kinds of expression. Learn about the social function, structure, and language feature. Okay, thank you Mbak Nia ya. Good. That was a good answer. And the last ya, would you please tell me what are they? Mbak Yolanda.
Social function is to ask or give the opinion.
Okay.
The issue and the structure are.
Yeah, good. So, yeah, and then okay, content and closing. So, okay, thank you Mbak Yolanda ya. Please give applause. Okay, class. This is the end of our meetings ya. So before we close, let me give you some question. Sebelum kita tutup, saya mungkin menanyakan beberapa pertanyaan buat kalian ya. Coba apa yang sudah kita pelajari hari ini, Mbak Rani mungkin bisa mewakili. Oke, belajar pengucapan asking and giving opinion. Oke, terus apalagi ya? Yang paling kalian sukai apa Mbak di pertemuan hari ini Mbak?
Saya
Oh Mbak Dian, gimana?
Saya sangat suka ketika mempraktikkan speaking.
Oh iya, seperti tadi ya. Oke, good. Ya, we hope that all of you is happy ya when you practice English. And then, yang tidak disuka apa Mbak? Atau yang belum kalian pahami? Mbak Dita. Oh iya, iya. This process Mbak. This is the process ya. You have to raise it. Practice, practice, and practice ya. Jadi kalau memang belum fluent ya caranya bahasa Inggris memang harus practice. You have to more practice. Jadi harus banyak practice. And for the other reflections, ada mungkin nanti sedikit ya, nanti saya share untuk Google Form pertanyaan-pertanyaan terkait pembelajaran kita hari ini ya, begitu. Oke, sebelum saya tutup mungkin saya akan sampaikan tugas ke depan ya. Mungkin please you can learn by yourself in home about the conversation. Coba conversation yang kemarin itu practice lagi in home ya. Practice again in home and make sure the grammar, your fluency is better. And we can meet again next week. Something like that. Okay ya. I think, do you have questions, Mbak? Do you have questions, Mbak? Okay, before there is no question, I think that's all for today ya. Thanks for your attention and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.